Here's how to install the MIG gun to the Weld Pack 180 IMP for both MIG and flux cord welding. Turn off the welder. Open the case side door. Loosen the thumb screw. Insert the end of the gun cable into the welding gun port. Make sure the gun connector end is seated fully into the wire drive, then tighten the thumb screw to secure the gun connector. Finally, install the gun trigger lead into the 8-pin connector. To do this, make sure the keyways are aligned on the lead connector to the slots in the 8-pin gun trigger receptacle. Once the connector is fully inserted into the receptacle, tighten the retaining ring. If you are welding with flux cord wire, insert the polarity lead into the negative brass connector. For most MIG welding applications, insert the polarity lead into the positive brass connector. Once you have the wire, diffuser, tip, and nozzle installed on the gun and gas connected if using MIG, you are ready to weld. Just turn on the welder and select the MIG setting on the front of the 180 IMP. This setting is for both MIG and flux cord welding. But before you strike an arc, make sure you're following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.